Junior Schools Challenge Quiz champions, went into extra time, and they got the question. I think they were tied, what, 24? What were they were tied on 24, went into extra time, one more question, and George Headley got it. And I think it's the first time that they're winning Junior Schools Challenge Quiz, so we congratulate them. Let's look at this.
So depending on the response for the next question, we will see what the scores will say. Teams, Bible knowledge. The giant Philistine Goliath came from which city? That's George Headley.
Gath! Gath!
That's correct.
All right, boy. Winners just have more fun. Congrats to Meadowbrook Primary for getting to the, was it Meadowbrook Primary or Prep? Meadowbrook Prep. Meadowbrook Prep. They got to the final, and of course you saw George Headley winning 26-24, and as I said, for the first time, they're winning. So congrats, and good luck as you move on, youngsters. I suspect we'll see some of you in the Senior Schools Challenge Quiz later on.
What else is going on?
This one, Doug Jones, it says scores a stunning win over Republican Roy Moore. Mr. Moore says he's not conceding, and he's asked for a recount, but this after allegations against Mr. Moore of sexually abusing teens and his history of controversial comments about women and minorities, but he was backed by no other than the President of the United States, Mr. Donald Trump, who said you better vote for him. It brings the Senate, I think, to 51-49. The Republicans, they lead the Senate 51-49. But I was reading this morning when Mr. Moore says he's not conceding just yet, and he wants a recount, so we will hear more about that. What else?
A magnitude 6.2 quake hits Iran, southeastern Iran.
Wow, look at
18 people were wounded in the quake, which struck the villages of Hejak and Ravar in the Kerman province. Now, you just mentioned Trump. We're just talking about like earthquakes and climate change and hurricanes. A lot of things are happening, and I hear the French president coming out and saying we really need to spend more money on climate change funding for education and protection and preventative programs and activities, and looks like Trump once again has called it, what, climate change a hoax?
No.
You know, it's so funny, we're always looking to America, and Trump is just messing up all the plans of what the world had, and some of the other member states of different agencies. But that's what's going on. We send our condolences to those who are wounded there in Iran, and remember, climate change is important, people, so we got to prepare.
Got a couple of birthdays. This is Sharisha, or Kerisha. I think it's pronounced Kerisha. She's Kerisha Planta. Hold on. Here is Kerisha. Happy birthday, Kerisha. I hope you have a great day today, coming from all your uncles, all your big baller uncles and the rest of the family, the Planters, who there's a number of them who played at Rivoli, and a couple who played, where there's a young man who played for St. Catherine. And this is Siobhan. Siobhan look kind of serious, but Siobhan, I hope you have a great birthday. There's Siobhan. Happy birthday, son, from your dad, Chaval Minto, and the rest of the family. And from us here, even though you're not smiling, I know you're happy that it's your birthday, and I wish you many, many more, Siobhan. So have a great day today. Have some fun. Probably have to go to school, but you can have cake and stuff afterwards or at lunchtime and stuff. You got none?
I always have birthdays.
Okay.
Right now, there's a mom in the hospital with the television on watching us, and you just gave birth. I know how you feel. You're tired, you're weary. I encourage you to ask a nurse to bring your baby in, put their baby on your breast and breastfeed your baby. You know, we're promoting the first 6 months of breastfeeding. That's what we're doing this morning. So as you watch the show, happy birthday to your child if they were born this morning after midnight. And good morning to all the children who are born today. We love you. Be blessed. Look in the mirror and say, I'm wonderful. I'm worth something. I believe in me, and if nobody loves me, I love me. So happy birthday to you from the entire team, producer Tamoya, the entire Smile Jamaica staff, and TVJ staff. We love you.
Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day.
That lives in all of the hearts of people.